Hey, it's Ruthie from Klein's Nursery. It's the dead of winter, 27 degrees this morning, but you'd never know it once you enter the greenhouse. Greenhouse, it feels like spring or summer. So welcome to our first tour of the year. We'll be starting with our new arrivals, and I'm really obsessing about the Sun Patience, but first, we're gonna take a look at our proven winter varieties that are new to us this year, and we're really excited about them. You just hold on a second. Maggie is here because it's Friday, and we are starting with our proven winter Super Tunias. These are actually a hybrid, and they're heat tolerant, really long blooming, basically until the frost. They'll get about 4 to 12 inches tall, so right there about a foot. And the new colors we're carrying, this one is Saffron Finch, and the first one she showed is the Hoopla Vivid Orchid. Okay, moving on. This is where my excitement really lies. It's with the Sun Patience. So these are the first variety of Sun Patience to be able to survive and thrive in full heat and full sun in the summertime. Large, brilliant blooms. These are going to land anywhere between 12 and 30 inches in your garden, and that's specific to the exact variety. So each of these have a little bit different of a growth habit. My personal favorite, they're so tiny right now, but we like to start things early, give them a little bit of a head start, and then we'll be ready when you come to visit us. My personal favorite, I am absolutely in love with this tropical rose. I love that underneath you've got that really pretty pink coloration on the stem, and then that stripe down the middle. It makes it electric. These will handle partial shade as well, so they're just perfect to illuminate a darker spot or just add a lot of drama to your garden. They are continuous bloomers, so we're really excited about these. Okay, time to talk dahlia. We have been potting like crazy.
So these are all of our dahlias, and they are considered the compact variety. They're gonna get between 10 to 24 inches. They are the ones that have the double extra large blooms, and these are the type that if you prune, they will produce.
That's right. My particular favorite is gonna be the Hypnotica Tequila Sunrise. I've grown it for the last 2 years, and actually, it's come back. It's dahlia season. Oh. It all starts with Martha handpicking each type of flower. Poring over these magazines makes it difficult because there are so many choices. But in the end, she always picks the best, and then she plans for over 100 combos for our unbelievably gorgeous hanging baskets. That's all Martha. So once she finishes that process, then we jump in, filling the cups, the baskets, the containers, and getting ready to receive our plugs and do some planting.
Good morning, everyone. I wanted to show you all of our new early baskets we just put together. We have 9 plants in each one at this point. We had started off with the red begonia in the center. That's going to be our filler. And then we have verbena across from each other on the sides, and that will spill over. Then we have Calibrachoa that will be the spiller. And anyway, we have a good number of these, maybe about 30. This will start our season, and then we hope we'll add about 1,500 more baskets to what we have to use for the spring.
We do things the old-fashioned way, all by hand, teamwork. Everybody's working to get our pots filled, placed, and ready to be potting up. We've been working outside a lot because the weather's been pretty nice during the day, so we'll do a lot of our pot filling outside in the sun, which means they are on these tracking wagons, and then we have to bring them all inside. I'm talking to all our friends on the internet. There's a couple. Hi. A lot. So this is sort of our process. We have a potting shed and a potting table inside that building that we work when there's inclement weather. And then oftentimes we will just be out here in the open air. We've got a big trailer set up, pallets of soil stacked next to it, and we just go to town. I'll drop in some footage here so you can see us in process. This is kind of what it looks like when there's nothing going on. Let's go over here and see what they're getting into. This could be exciting.
Look over here. We got your plants for the tree. Right over there, some of them. They didn't supply the sweet potato. Did not supply.